Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got Aston Martin Vantage GTE. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium. It's from the Euro Speed set. I think it has few more castings. You can see Fingerprint Ballista, McLaren Solus GT, Bugatti Bolide, and LaFerrari. I think I found a Battista. Apart from that, nothing else. LaFerrari is really hard to find. So yeah, it's a premium casting. If you don't know, they come with rubber tire, nicer paint, metal base, good details. Looks like a nice casting. So let's open it up and see. So here's the Aston Martin Vantage GTE out of its box. First thing you will notice is this is finished in grey with those neon accents, which looks good, I guess. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front, you got some nice details with those detailed headlamps, fog lamps, a splitter, grille, and the Aston Martin badge, which looks good. You also got those neon accents. I think this is for the heat extractor because the engine is in the front, so it might be for that. You also got the neon stripe that goes from front to back. No mirrors or windshield wiper. I don't know why. In the casting that's not that old, maybe a few years old. I don't know why Hotwheels didn't do that. I have no clue. Now, to the driver's side, again it looks really nice. I've got those rubber tires with 5-spoke wheels, which look good. Side-mounted exhaust, I think. Yeah, it looks like side-mounted exhaust. You have more vents, grills in the front. The same neon theme continues on the side. What are those called? Flush door handles. Not a huge fan of that. You've got that. I do like the shape of the Aston Martins. They look really good, design-wise, look-wise. They are one, I think, really good-looking cars. The newer ones look even better. Now, also on the side, you can see there's a huge spoiler. We'll talk about later, but you can see the body kit. The arrow, so like it's so wide compared to what you see on the actual body. So there's this body kit, which is very different when you see like a regular car. Now coming to the back, we talk about the huge wing with neon accents on the side, nicely detailed tail lamp, Aston Martin badge, a diffuser. Bumper is also different from the regular Vantage. It's got a very different design. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. And if you look from the top, you can see there is a roll cage inside. You can see the bars. Not sure if it's a full roll cage or just a cross bars in the rear. But the interior is finished in black. Some details. It looks like a nice casting from the top too. If you look at the shape, so nice. Now the base, it only has few details for the rear diffuser. Apart from that, I don't really see any details here, which is becoming more common these days with Hot Wheels. I wish they had mirrors and windshield wipers on this one, especially it's a premium casting and maybe 5 or 6 year old casting, not that old. But apart from that, I think it looks nice. It's got good details. I like the paint, and yeah, I think if you find one, you will be happy with it. So those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.